guys, and welcome to KJ Method's YouTube channel. What I want to talk about today is the magic T. Yes, many of you guys have heard of the magic T. It is a way for you to make the math problems a lot easier. And so what I'm going to do in this video today is to describe the magic T to you and teach you exactly how to use it. Now, you do have to practice after I teach this to you, but it should make your life a whole lot easier when calculating real estate math problems. So let's get to it. Believe it or not, many real estate examples can be done in this manner. It makes it easier for students. It takes the anxiety off of you because it's simply learning where to put things in this T as opposed to remembering a ton of formulas. If you remember from grade school, again, if you have two numbers, you can always figure out the third. Remember that teacher saying that all the time? All you need is two numbers in an equation. You can always figure out the third. Well, most of the real estate problems do indeed give you two numbers. So you just have to know where to place them in this magic T, and then you will be able to figure out the third. So the T I have here on the board, some of your instructors may use a triangle instead. You notice that the T here is inside the triangle, so it's the exact same thing. The important thing here is that you understand that if you have two numbers, the top and the bottom, that is the same as saying 1/2. Why is that? Because going from top to bottom is a dividing line. So it doesn't matter if you have the top and then the left side on the bottom. If you put 1/2, it is helping you figure out the right side. So when you have the top and the bottom, you divide the two between each other. Another big mistake that students make is that the top goes into the calculator first. So you would put 1 divided by 2 into the calculator. Well, we can change the T again to where you have 1 on top and 4 on the bottom. Does that change things? No, you're going from top to bottom. So you're going to put the top in the calculator first, divided by the 4, and that will give you the answer. So 1/4 is going to give you the bottom left. But what about if you get two numbers on the bottom? If you have two numbers on the bottom, you simply multiply those, and they will give you the top number. Okay, so as I stated, many of your real estate problems can be done this way. So how do you know where to put the numbers? Well, again, most of the problems are going to give you two numbers. You're just going to have to figure out the third. And so let's look at the T's. You simply are going to plug and play, right? You're going to just put it exactly where it goes on the T. Now, some instructors teach it like the right-hand side. They put the part on the top, the whole on the bottom, and the percentage on the right. I teach it, you put the small number on the top, the big number at the bottom, percentage on the right. Does it matter? No, it does not. I just like my students to think about small and big. Is the number going to be smaller? Is the number going to be larger? So that they can remember where to put it. Now, as I stated, every single time the T works this way, we're always going to put the percentage on the bottom right. We're always going to put the large number on the bottom left, and the small number is going to go on top. If you have two, you're figuring out that last one. Look at all of the problems that we're going to do that can use this magic T. So when we're calculating the loan amount, the down payment, when we're calculating the loan to value, that's the amount the bank is going to give you. When we're calculating the private mortgage insurance, the interest rate, the interest amount, the net listings or points, commissions, cap rates, mill rate, MIP, front end and back end ratios, and depreciation when we are doing the age life method. And so I just put this up here so that you can see many of the problems that we're going to be doing. Yes, we can do it with the T. Now, is it totally easy? No, not all the time, because sometimes they will put information in the problem that you do not need. And so we hope that we're able to pull out the information that we do need and then put it appropriately in the T where it is necessary. Again, the largest problem that I see is students who transpose what they're supposed to be putting into the calculator. So again, top to bottom, we put the top number in the calculator first, we hit divide, and then we put in the bottom number. If you're going from left to right, it is always multiply. So the biggest thing I see here is students know where to put things on the T, but then they divide when they're supposed to multiply, or they put it in their calculator incorrectly. So we need to work on that. Hey guys, so how was that video for you? Hopefully after today, you do understand how to use the magic T in order to make your lives easier on the real estate math. Well, again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. See you next time. Thank you for coming to the KJ Methods YouTube channel. Have a great day.